If exam season always leaves you overwhelmed, drowning in notes, and cramming the night before, you're not alone. As students, balancing lectures, assignments, and revision can get stressful fast. But what if there's one tool that could help you study smarter, write better essays, create flashcards instantly, and even turn your lectures into practice tests? In this video, I'm showing you how Ryne can completely upgrade the way you prepare for exams and make studying less overwhelming. One of the helpful features for exam prep is the lecture lab. All you have to do is to upload your lecture slides, notes, reviewers, or any study document, and Ryne instantly transforms it into fully study set for you. It generates structured notes that organizes all the important information into a cleaner and easier to review format, so you don't have to waste time manually rewriting messy lecture notes. It also breaks down the materials into key concepts, helping you quickly identify the most important ideas you need to focus on for the exams. It often explains them into simpler and more understandable way. On top of that, it creates flashcards automatically, which is perfect for active recall and memorization, especially when you need to study definitions, theories, or major concepts. It can even generate practice exam based on your uploaded material, so instead of just rereading your notes, you can actually test yourself and see what you know before the real exam. What's really helpful is that each questions come with explanation, so you don't just see whether your answer is correct or wrong, but you also understand why, which is helpful to reinforce your learning. And if you prefer auditory learning, Ryne can turn your materials into a podcast, which means you can literally review while walking, commuting, or doing other tasks.
Hi, everyone. I am Austin. Formal flexibility involves official HR policies and guidelines.
But the data says otherwise, does not it?
What makes this even better is that you can also paste a YouTube lecture link directly into Lecture Lab. Once processed, Ryne extracts the lecture and gives you a full transcript, which is incredibly useful because instead of rewatching an entire 1-hour lecture just to find one explanation,
so that you will come to understand the point of the other person.
You can quickly scan through the transcript and jump straight to the exact part you need to review. This saves so much time when revising, especially for content-heavy subjects. And alongside that transcript, it generates the flashcards, concept exams, and podcast review materials automatically. Another feature I really like is the Ryne chat. I uploaded one of my files and asked to help answer the essay based on the material, and it was able to analyze the document, understand the context, and generate a well-structured response using the information from my file. This is super helpful when you need guidance organizing essay answers or understanding how to approach a question properly. I also use it to create exam notes for upcoming tests by turning long readings or lecture materials into concise, organized summaries, which makes revision much faster and more manageable. After that, I copied the essay from Ryne chat and pasted it into Humanizer, where you can customize settings like balance, tilt, DNA language, writing style, and content type, and advanced options. Once I clicked Humanize, it rewrote the text into more natural and polished version. And I could even rephrase individual sentences manually before clicking Test Now to check it with AI detection before submission. For another essay activity, I used Essay Composer, which makes writing essays so much easier when you're starting from scratch. I simply entered my essay topic, uploaded the relevant file for context, selected my target word count, choose whether I want references included, and set the essay structure based on the format I needed. After that, Ryne generated a complete essay draft for me, already organized and properly structured. That saved a huge amount of time compared to building everything manually. I then copied the essay into Google Docs and ran it through AI Report to check how it performed on AI detection. The first scan showed that the content was still being detected, so I went back into my Essay Composer history, used the Humanize option on the essay, and repeated the process. After humanizing the essay, I uploaded the revised version into AI Report again. And this time, it showed us not AI detected, which is really helpful for students who want to review their work before submitting and make sure everything looks more natural and authentic. If you're feeling overwhelmed with exam prep, essays, or trying to keep up with all your coursework, I definitely recommend checking out Ryne and seeing how it can fit into your study routine. It can make revision more organized, save you a lot of time, and help take some of the stress out of being a student. If you want to try it for yourself, use the code on the screen to get $5 off at any plan. Try Ryne AI today using the link in my description.